always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
And good afternoon to you, West Michigan. We are looking at really quiet conditions, at least for now, as we take a look out over downtown Grand Rapids from our viewpoint here at Heritage Hill. Canopy of high mid-level clouds starting to roll in, and at Lake Macatawa, boy, what a great afternoon for spending time along the lakeshore, on the water, in the water. Just a fantastic way to spend the day. Storm Track Live, clear, quiet here in West Michigan, but as we expand the view, I want to show you what we're actively going to be tracking, and that's this intense line of thunderstorms now moving into central Wisconsin. It's just west of the Madison area, continuing to press to the east. It's about 200 miles to our west, so we still have several hours of dry weather between now and at least the middle of the evening hours until we start to see those showers and thunderstorms beginning to develop here in West Michigan. Storm Prediction Center has actually expanded that to slight risk area for severe weather, stretching from Manistee over to Ann Arbor, down into central and northern Indiana. This is for later this evening and overnight tonight. A line of showers and thunderstorms will be exiting the area very early in the day tomorrow, and that's why that risk area does include the southern part of the state, especially for the first half of the day tomorrow. Today, well, we're looking at fading sunshine with increasing cloudiness and temperatures that are now holding in the 80s. We will be tracking generally dry conditions for the rest of the afternoon. The evening hours will feature just a few isolated thunderstorms. The strong to severe storms will be likely overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. And the main threats here, we're watching widespread, very heavy rainfall coming together, a large hail, and also damaging winds along with frequent lightning. And there's an outside chance of a tornado, not zero, but really quite small with this particular setup. Here's a look at the futurecast, and you can see by 8 o'clock this evening, a couple of isolated showers and storms will be rolling through. It's during the overnight period. By 2, 3, 4 o'clock, we're going to see this intense line of thunderstorms work through. This kind of a setup in the atmosphere always concerns me because I look for this as what could be a significant damaging wind maker. And so that's why we're looking at this as a primary threat during the overnight period, quickly pressing off to the east. Not impossible to see an isolated round of showers and storms later Tuesday night into early Wednesday. We're actually going to be in a much more active weather pattern here over the next several days, which will bring us clusters of showers and storms, which will be locally intense and then clear on out. So through 6, 7 o'clock this evening, we'll hold on to dry conditions, but the sunshine will be fading away. 90 the expected high today, mid 80s through the evening hours, down into the 70s during the overnight period into early tomorrow morning. And once again, if you are planning to head out to the lakeshore, at least for the next couple of hours, we're anticipating those green flags to still be flying at the beaches, but those winds and waves, of course, will be much higher and stronger in and around those showers and storms that will be racing across the lake after about 7 or 8 o'clock this evening. So once again, much of tomorrow looking dry, those storms early and another round later in the day. Few showers and storms later Wednesday into early Thursday, and at this point counting it down to the weekend, which will look fantastic. We're going to have full coverage here. Chief Meteorologist Ellen Baca, Sarah Flynn, and myself will be monitoring this situation all day and into the overnight period into early tomorrow morning.
Terry, let me ask you a quick question. What are the chances we could get into these firework displays before the rain moves in?
Going to be a close call in some places, especially along the lakeshore, and so you just want to be weather aware. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, download that Storm Team 8 weather app. That way you can have that radar right on your mobile device wherever you might be traveling.
All righty, good stuff, my friend. Thank you so much.
Sure thing.